A cheap, do-it-yourself, multi-use press for the studio. Hi, welcome again to the Frugal Studio. I had need for a press in my studio to mount watercolor paper or canvas to wood panels, or even to do some linocut printing. I spent a lot of time thinking and sketching out ideas for press. I did a lot of looking on YouTube and Pinterest for ideas. So this is the idea that I built, and it works really well. The press has to be very sturdy because of the pressure that is exerted both up and down. A very simple and cheap solution to take this pressure is to use metal gas plumbing pipe, that is part 4, that is threaded in both ends. The flanges, part 2, screw on each end of the pipe, part 4, as shown. The flanges act like bookends, holding the parts of the press assembly together. The screws, part 10, are used on the flanges just to keep the flanges in place. It is important to point out that parts 5, 6, and 9 are all attached together with glue and screws. Part 5 is a 1/4 inch piece of plywood to guide the whole assembly. Parts 9 are 2 spacers that are the same thickness as the foot of part 1, the screw assembly. I didn't drill holes in the foot of part 1 of the screw assembly to attach to the plat in part 6. Instead, the center hole in part 5 locks the foot part 1 to the whole assembly made up of parts 5, 6, and 9. Note, the screw in part 1A has to be removed to get the foot under part 5 before all the parts are glued and screwed together. Be careful, there is a bit in the foot that is necessary for the screw action and can fall out and be lost. I used 2 different hole saws to drill holes as shown. The 1.5 inch hole saw is drilled to accommodate the flange ends on parts 3 and 7. The 1.25 inch hole saw is drilled in parts 5 and 3 to accommodate the parts of the screw press part 1. There is enough information presented here to be able to build your own press. If, however, you would like a dimension parts list for the press, you can download it as a Patreon member to my channel. A link to be my Patreon is in the description below. Many thanks for watching. It would be great if you would hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Share this video with a friend, and don't forget to hit the bell and get notice of the latest uploaded videos. I would really look forward to your comments. Have a great day, and be frugal and keep on painting.